Hi everybody, today's video comes from Delta Hotels by Marriott in Farmington Hills, Michigan. We have an Otis elevator. There's actually two of them. Green call button. That's cool. Okay, we're gonna go to 4. It's got the older Series 1. Very nice. Here we go. There's the phone. Let's go back up to 4 one more time. And let's watch that door close button works. Awesome. Instant door close. Notice there's no fire service helmet indicator. Just please exit when doors open. For a hotel over there, this thing is holding up pretty well. Not bad. All right, that will be it.